Let's dive into changing the Prius car key battery. It sounds trivial, but when your car key suddenly stops working, it can be pretty frustrating. You're either faced with manual entry or a wasted afternoon at the dealership. Start by grabbing a small flathead screwdriver or coin. The key fob cover can be a bit stubborn, so having the right tool is essential. But hey, don't go in blindly. It's all about the finesse here. Locate the seam near the bottom of the key fob. There's a little indentation. It's just begging to be pried open. You'll see it once you look closely. Insert your tool here and gently twist while it pops open. Be prepared for a mini treasure hunt. Inside, you'll find the battery surprisingly accessible. It's often a CR2032 or CR2025 coin battery, but always check the model on your existing battery to avoid errors. Here's the rub. Many people accidentally damage their fob's internals here. Use caution when removing the old battery. A light touch is key, and remember where everything goes for reassembly. Watch for those tiny clips holding it in place. Grab your new battery, ensuring it's the correct size and type. Cleanliness matters here. Touching the battery surface with oily fingers is a no-go. Use a cloth or gloves to maintain battery life and functionality. Slide the new battery in, positive side up. It should click into place without too much force. If you're straining, double check that you have the orientation and alignment correct. The fit should feel natural yet secure. Before reassembly, give the internal contacts a quick look. They occasionally gather dust or corrosion, affecting performance. A light dusting with compressed air or an electronic-specific cleaner can save future headaches. Now comes the moment of truth. Seal the key fob cover back up, ensuring all clips are aligned. A solid click means success. If it feels loose, something's off, it should snap back together seamlessly. Test your newly installed battery by unlocking and locking your car doors. This is the telltale sign that everything's back in working order. If not, something may have gotten misaligned or damaged, requiring another look. Embarking on these small maintenance tasks can be oddly satisfying. Mastering key battery changes saves you cash and teaches you a bit about your car's inner workings. Plus, who doesn't love a little DIY victory? And there you have it, a step-by-step on changing your Prius key battery with minimal fuss. It's the little wins like these that make life easier, saving you a trip to the dealership and keeping your budget intact. And